Hi, my name is Jan Srivitsky, and I'm the founder of OvuBrush. We are building a product that enables families to take control of their pregnancy journey. After interviewing more than 100 people about their pregnancy journey, it is clear that creating a family is an exciting endeavor, but not being able to do so when you are ready is demoralizing. And Laura is one of those people who has struggled with her pregnancy journey. She is one out of the 100 people who we've interviewed. Laura and her partner have been trying to conceive for the last year. They have taken the advice of all their friends and family, yet they're still struggling. This journey has strained their relationship and has turned sex, something that they previously enjoyed, into a chore. Laura is not alone with her struggle with infertility. Although there are many different causes for infertility, the fertility window is the foundation of planning a pregnancy. Yet 74% of women do not know how to use their fertility window. By timing intercourse during the fertility window, people are able to increase their likelihood of pregnancy by nearly 50%. And the fertility window is simply a 3 to 5 day interval during the menstrual cycle where pregnancies can be achieved. Many women turn towards ovulation predictor kits to know when to time intercourse. However, ovulation predictor kits fail in two major ways. Ovulation does not mean fertility, and this is what many products track, like period tracking apps and basal body temperature. Secondly, most ovulation predictor kits place a large burden on the user, requiring the person to pee on a stick in the middle of the day or wear a clunky bracelet. Worse even is some even stick invasive devices in their vagina to know where they are in their menstrual cycle. Knowing your fertility window should not be this complicated. And this is exactly where OvuBrush comes in. OvuBrush empowers women to know where they are in their menstrual cycle. We use an accurate and reliable method, enabling women to be confident in knowing where they are in their menstrual cycle to time intercourse. Through our easy-to-use design, we remove the mess and hassle of traditional ovulation predictor kits. And by adding no additional time, we enable most people to use this throughout their daily routine. By combining ovulation tracking with a habit that most people already do, like brushing their teeth, we're able to allow more people to do this without the hassle. OvuBrush interprets the electrical properties of saliva to tell people where they are in their menstrual cycle. We track changes in estrogen levels, enabling us to detect the 5 most fertile days. And by tracking the menstrual cycle in real time, we can support people with irregular cycles who have variabilities month to month. To use OvuBrush, the user simply brushes their teeth in the morning, and during this time, OvuBrush collects a small sample. And we use the electrical properties in these samples to detect changes from fertile and non-fertile days. We are then able to predict out where somebody is in their menstrual cycle and how far away they are from their fertility window. To get OvuBrush to the people who need it most, we are taking a direct-to-consumer approach. By selling the toothbrush body with disposable sensors, we can ensure that the sensors have the most reliable readings by being swapped out every 30 days. After building traction within our customer base, we will expand to employee wellness programs. Employers have established coverage through additional fertility health plans where we will be able to connect with users who need the device most as well. The pregnancy market as a whole is growing rapidly with the rising first-time pregnancy age. OvuBrush is first targeting the 330,000 pregnancies each year who rely on assisted reproductive technologies, and then expand out to the 2.5 million planned pregnancies each year in the US. Then we will expand to people who track their menstrual cycles to know where they are in their period and better prepare for menstrual syndrome symptoms. OvuBrush is currently in the prototyping stage, and we have conducted extensive customer discovery interviews and have developed a robust regulatory IP and go-to-market strategy. With an initial $15,000, we have begun to develop an MVP and do benchtop testing around the sensitivity of our sensors. We will continue to do product development for the next couple months until beginning a beta prototype testing. Then we will continue more user testing and technical validation before we move into a clinical study, which will last around 3 months and require 65 participants before attaining Class 1 medical device clearance. We will then move into manufacturing and sales. I'm accompanied by a strong team of advisors, ranging from technical, clinical, and business support. The clinical team is led by Dr. Calhoun and other mentors from the Johns Hopkins Fertility Center. Dr. Yazdi, the director of the Center for Bioengineering Innovation Design, is leading the business development. With the support of Tony and Sarah, I am able to access a large network of women through their speaking engagements in their respect in the women's health field. I hope you are able to join us as we enable more families to take control of their conception process. Thank you.